Hi guys, I'm here to discuss something very important, a big issue. Um, right now, I've discovered that the problem of my H-bridge is not the circuit, not the resistance, but the motor, the load. It uh, it may be indirectly connected to the electronic circuit, pero it affects the whole system very much because of electrical noise. Yes, electrical noise. Basically, ganito yan. We all know that our DC motor has three parts. You have your stator, rotor, and your commutator. The commutator feeds voltage to your rotor, to your DC brush, and the DC brush will feed the voltage to your coils, making it polarized or magnetized, and you have a magnetic field here, so it will spin. As your rotor spins, it makes contact to your DC commutator. Yung pins, those conductor things there. As this spins, magkakaroon ka ng sparking effect sa commutator. That's called electrical arcs. Nagkakaroon ka ng electrical arcs, and this electrical arcs creates voltage ripples sa iyong oscilloscope. Kung magkakaroon ka ng oscilloscope, makikita mo na kung ang voltage mo ay linear, magkakaroon ka ng parang harmonics. This is the application of harmonics actually. Kasi nagge-generate siya ng frequency. So, nagkakaroon ka ng unwanted frequency na nakaka-apekto sa iyong electronic circuit. Crazy, I know. Kasi something separate from the system, rotating physically, creates frequency, and it's actually affecting your Arduino. Naapektuhan niya ang iyong 80 mega chip and also your transistors. Pero mostly this one. So naglolo ko. Kaya minsan pag nagra-run ka ng program and you're running a high-speed motor, sa tandaan nyo, pagtaas ng speed, pagtaas ng frequency na generate ng noise niya dito, it generates a lot of noise. It can even affect AM radio. Pag tinapat mo isang dynamo na tumatakbo ng, 19,000 to 22,000 RPM, at itatapat mo sa radyo, magkakaroon ka napakataas na electrical noise na umaabot ng megahertz ang value. And right now, nagkakaroon ng problema, so it affects your 80 mega. So the fix for this is, you need a capacitor parallel to your terminals ng iyong motor. That capacitor will range about 0.1 to 0.01 microfarad depending on what you like. So, to fix the problem, basically yun. You just need to parallel something here, a capacitor, ranging from 0.1 to 0.1 to 0.01 depending on your choice. This is to remember for those guys na magpapalit ng motor to high-speed motor. If you don't want your circuit to be affected, then listen carefully. The reason why hindi nagkakaproblema sa stock motor, this is the stock motor, is because the stock motor only runs about 8,000 RPM. It doesn't generate that much frequency at your DC commutator. Doesn't generate noise frequency that much. So, it doesn't affect your 80 mega. Pero sa pagtaas ng ating speed, nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. Diyan pumapasok ang ating noise. And yes, this is a big deal. Malaking problema to. Kung maghahang ang microcontroller mo in the middle of the battle, you're gonna have a problem. So, right now, I'm gonna show you the ratings ng frequency. So, what we want is to bypass about megahertz of frequency. As you can see, the lower the value of the capacitor, sa pagtaas ng mababypass niya. Ang pipiliin ko ay 0.01. Bibili ako tomorrow, but I will also buy 0.1 just to test kung ano mas maganda or for extra capacitors. So, yeah. Things to remember. This is actually a big deal. This is a big deal. Electrical noise, guys. COM1.